Hey guys, Sylwia here and welcome all to my FOMO Proofs review. So you're looking at the members area of FOMO Proofs right now. Okay, I've checked out the software. In this review I'm gonna give you a walk through it. Okay, we'll also check out the offers they have. Here is the sales page to the standard funnel, so from the front end all the way up to upsell number 6. I believe that they have a few upsells. We'll go through them. We'll go through the whole funnel. And in case you like all of the upsells and you want to save yourself quite a bit of money, then I would encourage you to also check out the exclusive bundle deal, which I also put in the description box below my review. Now guys, this is the newest launch by these two vendors. It's a JVZoo launch. It's a good quality software, I must say. It works, okay, I've checked it out, and so as I said, I'll give you a demo of this product in a sec. Also, I want to mention that if you decide to pick it up via the link below my review, either the front end or the bundle deal, I'll have some extremely valuable bonuses, guys. First one is StockBreeze. Okay, I'll give you a special coupon. So for example, with this bonus number 1, which you will get if you buy the front end, which is going to give you access to a searchable and browsable cloud-based platform with over 15 million premium royalty-free stock assets and drag and drop tools to edit, convert, publish, and much more. Now guys, the price of this product as of today is, let me show you, $57, okay? But with my coupon, you'll get it for free. Now, in case you decide to pick up the bundle deal, you will also get the Vidmingo video hosting from me, which will allow you to host and stream video content with unlimited bandwidth, okay, which is, you know, pretty cool. And the price of it, guys, is $97. So this is the present price of this software, of this platform, and if you pick up the bundle deal, you will also get it for free. I have all of the coupons needed for free access on my bonus delivery page, which you will access via your JVZoo account. Now, let's get to it, guys. What is FOMO Proofs? So essentially, this software will allow you to, just to put it in simple terms, without all the fluff and blah, okay? Because, well, you know, if we read through the sales page, they say, so as they say here, turn your website visitors, Facebook, Google, LinkedIn leads, just about anyone, into cash-paying customer without persuasive sales copy, VSL, or any of the crazy marketing mambo-jumbo, okay? So just install a piece of code and watch onto your, for example, WordPress website, and I'll show you how you will do it. And yeah, and voila, and they say, thanks to this, the level of engagement on your websites will increase. And how will you achieve that? Well, by installing all kinds of notifications on your website. Okay, and I'll show you how it works in a sec and what kind of notifications you will have. But let me just give you an example. You see, they have used this software to install this coupon on the website, the countdown timer as well. Now, if you see, let me just refresh the bundle deal. This is this sales page. This is the bundle deal, okay? So they have this coupon here, right? Like, check it out. So you can have it installed on your website as well. Also, some like scarcity coupons. Whenever someone checks out the website and they're like, no, I don't think I'm gonna buy it, let me go, exit, then all of a sudden the coupon with a discount will pop out. So these kinds of things, these kinds of widgets, notifications, you will be able to install on your website, any kind of website. Hence why that will potentially increase engagement. So these kinds of things are undoubtedly helpful. Right, so now let me show you the members area. Alright, so here we are. As you can see, this is the dashboard. I have played around a little bit with this tool. Here you will have a demo, like 15 minutes demo explaining how it works, but you will have much more knowledge base and a lot of like questions answered here with screenshots, this and that, like taking you by your hand from A to Z, explaining how to do what. Alright, so I have access to the front end and some of the upsells as well, except for the unlimited, which actually allows you to remove the branding, the so-called watermark of the software on your notifications and put in your own branding. So you will have this option with unlimited. OTO number 1, that is. Okay, as you can see, I have created some campaigns here, and the way it's gonna work, guys, I can access them again from here. I can go and view, see the statistics, edit, install the pixel. So this pixel I will need to take and put it into the WordPress website, okay? If I wanted to have it installed on, if I wanted to have these notifications installed on these widgets installed on my website. Alright then, guys, so now let me show you how we create a campaign, how we create those notifications, or call them widgets, okay, that you will have installed on your website. So you can either do it by clicking this create campaign from here, or go to my campaigns and then create campaign. Let me just put in my name as the name of the campaign, but I advise you to call it accordingly to what the campaign is all about. Let's say you're creating an email pop-up for growing your list. So for example, for people to sign up to your newsletter or stuff like that, your weekly, daily, monthly, whatever newsletter you have. So you would call it email newsletter or something that you will know what the campaign is all about, by which you will know what the campaign is all about. Okay, and let's connect some kind of domain to it, so that would be your domain, obviously. You see, now from here you just copy this pixel. You would copy this pixel code, and this code, guys, you take to your WordPress. Let me show you where it goes. So from the back office to your WordPress site, okay, you go to plugins, and then you would need to install this free WP headers and footers plugin. You activate this plugin, then you would click on settings, and once you're in the settings, you would simply copy and paste the pixel code in here, save, and voila, that's how the software will be connected with your domain. Okay, now once that's done, let's continue. Okay, so we have that, and then we would click on create notifications. Now, depending on what level you have access to, what I mean, so is it just the front end? I have just the access to mainly the front end and some of the upsells like the heat maps, themes, agency, but not unlimited. If I had access to the unlimited software, to the unlimited upsell, then I would have way more choice as to what kind of notifications. You see this where it says upgrade, upgrade, upgrade. This is the OTO number 1, the unlimited. But with the front end alone, I have access to quite a few widgets that I could create and place onto my website. So the informational, now, if you hover over this, okay, let me just pop myself up here so you can see. Now, you see, once I hover over it, it's going to show you what the pop-up is going to look like, what the widget is going to look like. The coupon, you see, that's the widget you would create with this option. Live counter, so it's going to show you the active visitors. Now, I think that these pop-ups do help when visitors land on your website and see that, you know, there is some action going on your website, there is engagement. It's I don't know, it comes across that there is something happening and your website is getting traffic, right? So it surely does help. Now the image creator is going to look like that, and you can customize them. And conversions like someone just signed up for the newsletter, the conversions counter, video, you can put a video, you see, social share, reviews, even reviews, emoji, feedback, do you like our website? Pretty cool, okay? So that's with the front end alone. Now let me show you how to, let me just pick one of them, maybe the email collector, and I'm gonna just show you what kind of customization you can do here. So once I've picked the one I want to create, right, then click to continue. Alright, so here is the kind of stuff you can do to customize your widgets. So the basic will be like, first is the name. Now here I can change the name for, let's say, daily, and you see it's already changing whatever I am typing. Here you can change the description as well, okay? You can change the name placeholder, email placeholder, button text, sign me up. So, you know, if you want people to agree to show the agreement, you toggle this on, unless I wouldn't bother doing that, okay? And then you update. And then you move on to the next option you have, triggers. So, what kind of action from your website visitors would trigger this pop-up? So you decide. So you select the delay or the mouse click, the mouse hover, or the scroll percentage out after how many seconds of scrolling this pop-up should pop up, and all of that stuff. And then you also can opt out as to if you want this pop-up to be displayed on small screens like mobile phones. If you don't want them on mobile phones, you just toggle it off, okay? I'll just keep it for now. Click update. Then let's go to display. So here in this display section, you decide where you want this pop-up to be placed, to be positioned on your website. So this is the daily. It's sort of like important, so I would probably have it in the middle center of my website, okay? And here you decide on the display durations of how many seconds. Now also you can give your website visitors the option to close the display pop-up by Xing it. If you don't want to give them the option, just turn it off, but I would probably leave it on and, you know, let them close whenever they want to close it. Otherwise it can be, I believe, quite annoying and, you know, irritate your website visitors and just, you know, make them leave your website altogether. The customization, so you can change the color of it, okay, and how it appears on how it pops onto your website, you know, so with all kinds of animations, the zoom in, the bounce in, the sliding down, sliding up, fading, and exit, and how the pop-up will exit your website as well. And while it's on, you can, you know, it can either like do this like heartbeat movement sort of action, bounce, flash, pulse, and stuff like that. So pretty fancy. And the animation interval, so for how long, how frequently it does it. Okay, let's go up, and here you can select the title color, the description color, the background color. So as you can see, you can change the color of this pop-up, and you can even import the hexa code, so the code from your website, so it sort of like, it looks seamless. It looks like it fits your website, it's a match with your website, so you can do that as well. But yeah, there you go. That's where you change it. The background color. You can apply some patterns to it if you wish. So all sorts of things you can do. And then you just click on update. Now, important thing to do, okay, in order to connect this tool with your website is actually to toggle this on. So it's to change the status. Otherwise, it is not going to show on your website. It's not going to be live. So just toggle it on and you're good. Now, from here, you will have, you know, once you start getting the statistics, you'll be able to see the statistics and also all of the data you would have collected, say email addresses, okay? And once you have them here, you will have the option to export them as well and say import them into your autoresponder. Okay guys, so now once you have this campaign created, you will have it here on your dashboard. And from here, obviously, you can go and access it, view it, see the statistics, delete, and all of that. Now, if we go to statistics and you say pick up the unlimited, you will also have, I don't have access to it here, but I've watched the demo from inside of here, from inside of this dashboard, the members area, and I could see that there was an option with unlimited. You would change the branding of the widgets, of the notifications that you would have installed on your website, so that would be congruent with your brand. So that's a cool thing to have, and I guess I would strongly encourage you to go for the unlimited because it gives you that option to change the branding to your own, and also adds on quite a few additional widgets that you can have installed on your website. So let me just take you through the funnel. I'm showing you the upsells from the bundle deal sales page because all of the upsells are included and they are nicely listed here. So check them out from the bundle deal and see if that's something for you. Otherwise, just go for the front end. But with the front end, you will have some limitations as to how many campaigns you can create and all of that. And they're all actually listed here on the front end sales page. So as you can see, 50 campaigns. You will be limited on the number of notifications you can create, impressions, and for how long you can access the data. So it's 30 days data retention. And here are the kinds of notifications you can have installed on your website with the front end. But let's go back to the bundle deal and let me show you, for example, what you will have with the unlimited. So all limitations will be removed, guys. And also you will have these like 12 new types of notifications that you can have installed on your website. Like check them out here, okay? And also you will have 90 days data retention and fully customized branding. So this is pretty cool. I like that one a lot. And you will have access to the rest of the upsells, which I would strongly encourage you to go through, guys. There's a few of them, including reseller, like agency. This one is pretty cool. The visual heat map and sessions recording, which almost acts like a spy tool because you will be able to spy on your users, your website users' behavior and see how they engage, what they engage with on your website, how much time they spend on the website and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. Okay, so here you have at the end of the page, you have the comparison as to what you get with the front end alone with the commercial, which comes with the commercial license, and as opposed to what you get with the bundle deal. So, guys, the decision is obviously yours. And, if you decide to get the bundle deal, which is $297, you get to use the coupon, which gives you the FOMO bundle, which gives you $50 off. So use this coupon. It's going to bring it down to $249. So that's the deal. You will find both links below my review. I believe it is pretty cool piece of software. If you have a website and you want to increase the engagement on your website, then that's probably the way to go. It's a cool way to do so. And yeah, so also you get my bonuses. And remember, if you pick up the bundle deal, you also get the Vidmingo video hosting. All right, so the links below my review once again. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna see you very soon. Ciao. Have a beautiful day.